Hey everybody and welcome. Today we are here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, and we're getting ready to take you guys along with us to
WONDERWORKS.
Guys, we're at a different type of restaurant today. Today we're at the Earthquake Cafe with the Smoky Mountain Family. Right here, this water is a cold 28 degrees, which is the temperature that the ocean was at when the Titanic sank back in 1912.
Not bad.
How cold is it?
Not bad.
Not bad? How cold is it, Henry?
It doesn't feel very cold.
No, it's not.
There's no way that's...
I don't think it's working.
I don't think it's working. This is called Smart Glass. Eric has locked, there he is. When you're done, they have an arcade here. Of course, everything inside WONDERWORKS is included with your ticket, but once you get inside the arcade, everything does cost a little bit. That was WONDERWORKS. Brittany, what did you think about WONDERWORKS?
I loved it. I loved it this time. We took our time, did all the things. Make sure you take your time and just stop at all the things. I think everyone we did was with our purchase of ticket. I loved the ropes course. Keegan liked the rock climbing. It was great. Loved it.
All right. And JC and Keegan?
I think it was really fun. There's so many things to do there.
That's all I'll say. And also
And they're actually like really fun.
My favorite thing was the bubbles.
Oh yeah.
Bubbles.
The bubbles were awesome. It was awesome. Yeah, I
And
love it.
like rock the course or whatever.
The ropes course.
Yeah,
the
the
ropes
course.
course.
That was fun too.
Yeah.
All right. And Henry, what'd you think, buddy? Oh, come on.
Did you like the bubbles? Was
All right.
The bubbles in the sand. Was that your favorite? Yep.
I think the video tells that. So, Gentry, what do you think?
I like the bubbles and everything. I would definitely recommend WonderWorks.
All right. And Jennifer.
There's something for everyone here. I think the bubbles were really fun too.
And I have to say, if you've ever driven by this place, you're not going to miss it. It's the upside down building that is right here on the parkway, and it was an absolute blast. As Jennifer mentioned, there's something for everybody, for all ages. Even Henry had fun, even though he's speechless right now. It was a great time. And guys, we thank you so much for joining us on today's episode here at WonderWorks in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. And we look forward to seeing you next time on Every Day is Saturday.